Hey guys, it's Thomas from the Barber Style Directory, and welcome to this curly taper haircut tutorial. We're going to start out by combing the hair into its natural position, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into the tapering process. So here we have the lever fully open, and this is not going to be an aggressive taper, so we're going to keep everything in small parameters. So normally I would make my guideline about 1 inch, but we're not going to do that with this taper because it's not as aggressive. So here the lever is fully closed, and I'm going to work to the top of that guideline. I don't want to blend too high to raise my guideline. So here we have on the number 0 guard, and notice how I'm just flicking. I'm not really trying to create a new guideline since this is not going to be an aggressive taper. I'm really just trying to lighten the hair in certain areas. So now the lever is fully closed. With tapers like this, it's really just all about the detail work. Yes, you technically have to follow guidelines, but it's really about just finessing the clipper to blend out certain hairs. And then here I'm just taking the 0 guard with the lever fully open just to smooth down the edges to make everything flow together. Notice how I'm only targeting specific dark spots. And then now on this side, we're going to do the exact same thing. And as you can see, when you're doing a taper like this, it's not a long process. You just have to make sure that you're very detailed. As you can see, I'm barely going up and I'm only using one side of the blade. And the reason that I'm keeping this taper low and it's more of a shadow type taper is because he likes to keep a lot of his curls, so I don't want to take off too many curls. That's why I'm not going up as high. Now we're going to move on to the lineup process. And I like to start on the sides and then work my way to the front. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, be sure to follow us on Instagram at Barber Style Directory. That's at Barber Style Directory. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Thomas Cut It. That's at ThomasCutIt. But back to the haircut. Notice how I'm just using the corner of the blade to do the edge up. Really the only portion that you'll need to use the entire blade is on the vertical bars, like you see me lining up right now, and then during the front lineup. And notice how I'm keeping everything natural. And I'm letting the trimmer do the work. I'm not pressing down hard. A lot of people think that you have to press down really hard to get a sharp edge up, but you don't. Let the trimmer do the work. And notice how I comb everything out towards the front. That way you make sure that you get all of the loose hairs that may be sticking over the line up. Now moving on to the front. I like to start in the middle and work my way either right or left. It really doesn't matter which way you go as long as you get both sides as symmetrical as possible. Even though he has a light corner, notice how I just went straight across. And now we're just going to try to match the other side as evenly as possible without taking off too much hair. And then here I'm just going to go ahead and add this part back in. I always recommend, if you're going to do a part, come back with it with the razor just so it'll last a lot longer. Usually parts last maybe 3 to 4 days on average, but if you use the razor, that will make the part last a little bit longer. And here I'm following up with the razor just to make that part a little bit more clean. By the way, if you like this video, comment below what other videos you want to see, and also give me any feedback in the comments. And here is the finished result. Notice how I tried to keep everything as natural as possible. Well, that concludes this video, guys. I'm going to let you finish looking at the haircut. Once again, comment below if you have any questions or concerns, and I will see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching.